Hi girls and guys, this is me again with another video of how to stop the car on the left with MSPSL. After listening to the instructions, when you've been told pull up on the left on a safe and convenient place, what you do first thing, you check your mirrors, interior mirror and left door mirror, because you are pulling up on the left. Next thing, put the signal on. Tell people that you are pulling up on the left, whoever is around you. Next thing is position of the car. Take your car more closer to the left, from the middle of the road to the left, and you can do that by quarter of the steering to start with. If you need more, you can go more, but quarter of the steering to the left, that will change your positioning, it brings you more closer to the left. Speed of the car, next thing, you come off your take your foot off the gas pedal and cover the brake, cover the clutch, look for safe and convenient place, and then once you found safe and convenient, then you go on the light brake, little pressure on the brake, and once your speed is gone below 10, then clutch all the way down, and then you stop the car on the left. Once you stop, don't rush. First thing after stopping, put the handbrake up, secure the car, stop the car, secure the car, then put it into neutral, then relax your feet, then cancel the signal, and then job done. Now, things to remember: when you stop the car, don't rush to take your feet off the pedals. Make sure you put it into neutral first, and then first thing, put the handbrake up, put it into neutral, then you can relax your feet. If you relax your feet first, then the car will stall, so you need to make sure that you will stop the car, secure the car, then stop the car, secure the car, then put it into neutral, then relax your feet, then cancel the signal if it's still going on. If you do right thing in right order, that is the best way of learning, and that's what you are learning. Right things in right order. If you do, say you stop the car, cancel the signal, then put it into neutral, then put the handbrake up, then you relax your feet, although you done the right thing but in the wrong order. For learning and on the test, you do right things in right order. So just remember, right thing in right order. Your instruction was pull up on the left on a safe and convenient place. Now I will explain safe and convenient. Safe and convenient mean do not park. Safe and convenient mean leave your car on the road and go home, and when you come back, your car is safe on the road and is not causing any inconvenience to anyone. Example of safe and convenient: do not block somebody's driveway, like go and park straight in front of somebody's driveway. That's not maybe safe, but it's not convenient. Do not park opposite of somebody's driveway. It might be safe, but it's not convenient for the person to get in and out of his driveway. Do not park at the junction, near the junction, opposite of the junction. Do not park at the bus stop, near the bus stop, opposite the bus stop. Do not park on the pavement, one tire on the pavement or the full car on the pavement. Do not park opposite a parked car. these are the places are not safe and convenient to leave your car and go home. All these little things you can see, they are theory test questions. They are not safe and convenient and legal to leave your car and go home as well. So these are the places where you will not be leaving your car as well, where these signs are. They are theory test questions as well. So just remember, key thing to remember, when you are looking for safe and convenient place, make sure you look ahead and pick a place up that, okay, that is the place I'll park my car, and then do your MSPSL from there. That is thinking ahead, planning ahead. If you listen to the instructions and you start doing it there and then obviously you won't be able to do MSPSL properly. So after listening to the instructions, take your time, think ahead, where is safe and where is convenient to leave my car. It shouldn't be one of these, and it shouldn't be all those things which I just mentioned earlier on. And make sure then after that you will start doing your MSPSL and pick a place up in your head, and then you will go for it and then go. Do not scratch your wheels or hit the curb. That is not safe and convenient as well. So just go there and park. Once you have find the place up and you have parked up, then the next thing is stop the car, secure the car, put into neutral, then relax and cancel the signal. So this is safe and convenient place to leave the car. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please like, share and subscribe the channel, and I'll be keep putting on more videos how to learn to drive the car. Thank you.